Welcome to BIR Matters Guide. Ang videong ito ay in connection sa Republic Act No. 11976, otherwise known as the Ease of Paying Taxes Act. In relation dito, naglabas ang BIR ng Revenue Regulations No. 8-2024, kung saan makikita dito ang classification ng mga taxpayers. Ayon dito, mayroon na 4 na classification of taxpayers, at ito ay ang una ay ang micro-taxpayer, which shall refer to a taxpayer whose gross sales for a taxable year is less than 3 million pesos. Pangalawa ay ang small taxpayer, which shall refer to a taxpayer whose gross sales for a taxable year is 3 million pesos to less than 20 million pesos. Pangatlo ay medium taxpayer, which shall refer to a taxpayer whose gross sales for a taxable year is 20 million pesos to less than 1 billion pesos. At ang pang-apat ay ang large taxpayer, which shall refer to a taxpayer whose gross sales for a taxable year is 1 billion pesos and above. Ang classification na ito ay makakatulong sa gobyerno or BIR para sa kanilang mga future programs para sa mga taxpayers tulad ng reduced penalties para sa mga micro and small taxpayers, at baka magkaroon pa ito in the future ng simplified tax returns para sa mga micro and small taxpayers. Para po sa mga magre-register pa lang na taxpayer, ang inyong classification ay i-based doon sa mapipili nyo na classification sa inyong registration form or BIR Form 910-01 or 910-03. Para naman sa mga registered na taxpayer in 2022 and prior years ay i-classify kayo base sa gross sales na dineclare nyo sa inyong income tax returns. Pero ang mga taxpayer naman na walang dineclare na gross sales prior to the effectivity of the regulation ay i-classify kayo as micro-taxpayer, except lang sa mga BAT-registered taxpayer kasi i-classify sila as small taxpayers. So, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.